guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrian. I'll be showing you guys my evening skincare routine. I have the most sensitive skin, you guys, and I just want to give this specific routine a shout out to Dr. Simi. She really put me onto this routine. I follow her instructions. She's good with the skincare, and I had follow her routine, and I'm just loving it. It's really good for me. And you guys, you have to wash your hands thoroughly before you wash your face. So I do wash my hands really good. I'm using my Savvy Naturals bar soap, and I just use warm to hot water to really get my hands clean, because I just love a clean hand before I touch my face, because you know it's so sensitive. So yes, before I start my wash, I go in with a double cleanse method. I'll be using my Shiseido cotton round. These are super soft. I love these. They do not leave balls on my face. And I go in with my alcohol. Yes, I've been using this for 2 weeks and I love the results. It does not do anything irritating to my skin, doesn't cause extra acne. It really takes off the extra dirt on your face. And you guys, I'm loving the alcohol step before cleansing. Is just so good. Just, be careful with, how alcohol go up your nose. Just be careful, but that's not going to stop me from using this. I'm loving it. It's just really good for my skin. My skin is just absolutely smooth. So I do this right before I cleanse my face. And yes, try it out. Try it out. Favorite gentle cleanser, the Natrium. This has niacinamide, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. You guys, I've been through 2 small travel size bottles of this, and I had to get the one with the pump because it's so good. It's so soft, so gentle, so silky on my skin, and I just love it, you guys. It doesn't cause any breakouts or anything. It's just so gentle, and it's so good for my skin. I just love this. If you haven't tried this one, please try it because it's just fabulous. I really like this face wash, and it just really cleans my skin without being harsh or drying to my skin. So that's what I'm doing now.
Probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from two.
take my time washing my face. I usually take like a minute, gently rubbing my face in circles, and then I'll rinse my face with lukewarm to cool water, never hot water. So that's how I just rinse off my face and I make sure I get all the soap off my skin for the next step. Just make sure you really rinse your face. I take my time with this part and really just get all the soap off. Then I'll usually at this step go in and wash my eyelashes with this balm shampoo that I actually got from getting my lashes done. It's really good. But I'll do that another day and I'll go in with my retinol. You want to use this after you use a gentle cleanser. So this is about out. This is really good. I like this verse retinol serum. It hasn't, did me wrong. So I don't use it every day of the week. So this day I'm using it. So just know to use it when you're using a gentle face wash only. So yes, do not use it when you're using the active face wash and use it at night mostly. I like to use mine at night and I just apply just like a dime size amount throughout my whole skin on like kind of damp skin, and then I'll just wait like 1 minute before I apply my moisturizer, which is this Face Theory Super Gel. I done waited a whole month for this. Came from Canada, but I have two options now. This is my man. I love this CeraVe, you guys. This is the lightweight one. This one, man. This one brought my skin back to life. I will always love this. This is perfect for the evening and the daytime. But tonight I'm going to use this super gel one because I'm still testing it. You know, I just got it and I'm loving it and I like to use it at night. I'm thinking I'm gonna use it more at the nighttime and I'll tell you why in a little bit, but it goes on really smooth. I use a little bit and I put it on in circular motions and it's just very lightweight. I just keep it simple, so that's what I do.
Two planets away, I got my two planets away, I got my two planets away, I got my music, I will share it, but today I'm getting
Now, after your face, you gotta have moisturized lips too. I haven't had dry lips in over a year, you guys. This is my stuff. I love Laneige. I love these lip sleeping masks so much. It's my ride or die. My lips has not been dry in over a whole year. This is like chef's kiss on the real, real, real. Try this if you haven't dry lips. Come on now, you can't have a clear skin with dry lips. So yes, get this.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true.
So while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you what I use in the daytime. So yes, you'll know the whole routine. And I use my active La Roche Posay, whatever, salicylic acid wash, and I use either or. I'm gravitating more to the CeraVe because the super gel, I already tried it like 2 times with my sunscreens, and it just like peels, and I cannot have that. I can't go outside and then I look in the mirror and I look like a shedding snake. So I just use the CeraVe in the morning with my sunscreen and I'm good. So yes, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope this helps someone that's having any type of skin issues like me, oily, acne prone, sensitive skin, you guys. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.